divide this 97 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 7 and it is 47. So 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 2. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 97 divided by 5 is 19 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.